Welcome to AI Tinkers Toronto. We're an event for AI developers to come and show and tell their projects. So anyone who's doing stuff with machine learning or artificial intelligence, really want to see you come demo your project.
We're here to do the community building, which we've done for many years now. Grateful for all the demo submissions, you guys. Please keep submitting.
Each talk is going to have 5 minutes, but then after that, there is an additional 5 minutes for Q&A.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. Go Toronto. It's great that we have more events like these.
So if anyone in the audience feels, the LLMs, AI is crazy complex and so on, it's not. I'm the living example of it.
Plenty of room for everyone. Thank you for coming.